sajid.
Hey guys, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a woodwork challenge and well, we're going for the crossbar.
Ooh! I'm going for the crossbar.
Sidebar.
Which sidebar? There's two.
Left sidebar.
Ooh. That's pretty close.
You didn't bite
Huh?
You attack me?
Huh?
Got it! You did! I'm gonna go for the crossbar. Crossbar. Just goes to the carrots. Okay. Crossbar!
Ooh. Okay.
Sajid!
Here we go.
We're gonna get crossbar!
Crossbar! God.
Okay, so I'm gonna go for the right post. That's like... No,
What do you think?
no.
Why me?
I wanna go left post. Left post.
Pretty sad in the middle. Right.
Oh! Go get the ball! No! I'm gonna be the one. Oh, go for your post, guys. Crossbar. Crossbar. Chicken nuggets. Crossbar! Dude, I feel sorry for him. Crossbar! Did he just go? I actually...
Yeah!
Have right post left.
Come on, make a hat trick! Hat trick!
He hit it.
Enough of this.
Post.
Right foot.
Post, same thing. Okay, dude, somebody has to hit it. Okay, guys. Somebody has to hit that right post. Time to get that right post. The right post.
Okay, right. Right. Right.
No.
Right foot.
First video was from like 7 years. Now you. Come on, pass. Right post.
Look at all these people standing to just turn it off.
One eternity later.
Right post.